Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a vlog today and I'm going to take you along with me because today I'm getting new wigs. So I ordered some wigs from Raquel Welch. I've never heard of her before, never ever. And then I was on YouTube and I was searching up wigs and I was looking up like wig reviews and stuff like that. And I seen one girl and she posted this wig where it looked like the roots was literally coming out of her head. And the roots were not like black. I don't know about you guys, but like whenever it comes to like $20 or $40 wigs, I find that the roots are very dark, like most of the time. If you're trying to get like blonde with dark, like a rooted blonde, I guess you can call it. If you're trying to get like a rooted blonde, it's really hard to get. That looks like as if I went to the salon. You know, like if I would go to the salon, it would be like light roots. She would leave my roots, but it'd be light, and then it would go to a blonde, and then it would look natural whenever my roots came out, and whatever. Could not find a single wig like that. And then I seen Raquel Welch's wigs were exactly what I wanted, so I'm super excited to show that with you guys today. I'm getting those boxes in and I'm just so excited because yeah, they're supposed to look super natural because this is getting really bad. Like this looks orange and I don't want to go get my hair done because wait, I just heard a car. I don't know if it's the mailman. I've literally been running to the window every single time I hear a car door. It's not him. I've literally been running to the window like every single time I hear a car door. I run to the window because I'm just so excited to get these wigs. I'm so excited. I've never had like wigs that look this natural before. Well, supposed to, like in the video, I'm telling you, like I've never seen anything like it. What I was saying was I just heard another car door. I'm just gonna keep going. I'm just gonna keep talking. I can't be that obsessive. Okay, so yeah, what I was saying was my hair's just getting really orange because I dyed it pink and my roots are getting so bad, but I don't want to like go to the hairdressers because if I go to the hairdressers, that's like COVID. Like COVID right now is crazy and I just want to be really careful. So I don't really want to go to the hairdressers, and even if I got my hair done, let's say, I would have to go back next month. So my hair is always going to be constantly looking like this. So I was thinking maybe I should just go back brown just for like a year. But like deep down in my heart, blonde is my color. So that is why I'm gonna get some wigs in. Hopefully they look super real and I can pull it off and they're exactly how I would get my hair done. So I'm so excited for it, and yeah. I am so excited. I am so excited. He's here. He's here. I'm so excited. Okay. First one. It's so pretty. Like the wrapping paper is so extra and so pretty. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, like this is not like the really good one. I think this is the really good one. Like I kind of want to open the really good one. That's how I am. I want to see like both right away. My battery is dying and I want you guys to see my reaction for this one. Oh yeah. Oh, I can't with this one. I feel like I just went to the salon. Oh my god, when I have makeup on. Like this looks silly without makeup and I didn't like fix it or nothing. But oh my god. Okay, let me do the next one. Oh, this one's a little bit on the grandma side. Just a tad, like a little bit. Let me turn down my, but like it's so pretty. Let me just turn that down a little bit for you guys. It's like a cute little bob. Okay. Oh, and I also got this. I'm excited, guys. I'm so excited. I don't want to get my hair dyed. It comes with this little thingy. I'm not sure if that's supposed to go underneath your wig. I don't know. Is it? Let me know in the comments down below. I am in love, guys. I'm truly in love. I just feel like, I don't know if this is like I know the color is so natural, but I feel like with my other wigs, I don't know, I was able to blend this part in, and my other wigs are a lot bigger. This runs really small. Like for my head, it runs really small. I didn't know that I had a big head at all, and I'm on like the biggest length that I can give, and yet it's very tight on my head where it's almost slipping back, and the ear part is not, it's not that great. If you have a different hair color, like the ear part ends here, and this is my hair, but I can't get it over it. So I don't know if it's because I have a bun in the back of my head and it's kind of pulling on it. I'm not sure, but I never had a problem with my other wigs with that. But I'm trying to put it forward. That's so pretty. So this is the Scene Stealer in color RL19/23SS. And I am obsessed with this color. This gives off like as if I just went to the salon and she just did my hair and she left some roots to give it like a natural look in case my roots come back and stuff like that. Wow. So this is the second wig. I just want to show you guys what it's looking like. This is what it looks like. Doesn't that look like it's coming out of my head? Like I said, like the lace itself I think is like really on the light side, so I think I will have to just put my foundation on the lace, and I think that's gonna look like it's coming straight out of my head. This is such a pretty look. It's kind of like dark roots, then it goes to an ashy color, then it goes all the way to this light color, and you got some light streaks in there. It is so cute, and it's like the perfect bob. It's not kind of like, you know when you get bobs and they're like completely straight and they look, well, basically my last wig that I've always worn, it didn't look natural, but this literally looks like I just went to the salon, asked to get my hair done, they blow dried it, they made it super pretty, and I walked out like this. That is what this looks like. I am seriously in love, guys. Wow. Wow. I just want to show you maybe the top part. The only thing I don't like about these wigs, they do run small, but I just don't like that it's like off here. Like look, it goes, it's all nice lace front here, and then all of a sudden it's like no more lace front, which all of my other wigs have like went lace front from, what is that called, ear to ear? Yeah, okay. So all of my other wigs have always been like lace front ear to ear, but this one here is just like from here to here, temple to temple, and then this part is just no lace. So if you don't have like dark roots, I think it's gonna look really weird, but honestly this is almost the same color as, like my hair is almost the same color as the wig's hair for the roots, so it matches me perfectly. This is so pretty, so pretty. Oh, I don't think I'm taking her off. Like, I don't think I'm taking this wig off. I am so in love. This is so much better than my other wig that I was wearing. This is so much better. I'm so excited. Oh, and did you guys see? I moved around my desk and I moved around my office yesterday, so I'm super excited to show you guys that. Looks so much better. It actually looks really bad today with the lighting, but it's so pretty. It's so pretty. And I thought it was gonna be better for me to do while filming for you guys and stuff like that. But anyway, so that's the wigs that I got. I'm so excited, and I hope you guys liked this short little vlog, I guess. It took me like 2 days, guys, to get these wigs. Like 2 extra days. Like I said that it was coming on Friday, and then on Saturday it said it was coming too, because they deliver on Saturday, and then it never arrived, and I was so mad, but it was so worth the wait, because look at the color of these. From far I look like a grandma, but from close I look really cute. I like this color. Hopefully you guys enjoy this vlog, and if you guys like this wig, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know what one is your favorite. Oh my god, I almost forgot to tell you what wig this is. I'll put it probably on the screen and stuff like that, but I want to say it so you guys know for sure. This is the Nice Move synthetic lace front wig, monopart RL19/23SS, and this wig was $272. The Scene Stealer was $361, but it was so worth it. Like so worth it. So worth it. Because honestly, like I had just went and put a whole bunch of wigs into my cart and into another store that I'm used to buying from, and I always spend like $40 to $60 on those wigs, and so I was about to buy like a whole bunch of other wigs, just hoping, like I swear I was just hoping for one like this. If I could get one like this, like I was just hoping. And to be honest, I knew that none of them were gonna come out like this. Like I knew they were gonna look kind of natural, like I would have had to do a lot of work to them, but I knew that they were gonna come in looking maybe a little bit natural. So I had them all in my cart. I actually bought them, and then when I seen the girl wearing this type of wig online on YouTube, when I seen her wearing this wig, I was like, no. I canceled my order right away, and I went out and bought these wigs, and man, am I so happy I did, because this is the best amount of money that I've ever spent on a wig. This is gonna save me so much money, because I keep buying wigs to find one that looks natural. Like I've bought so many just in hopes that one looks natural, and I never return them just in case I like them like a few months later. Even if I hate it whenever I first try it on, I'll still keep it because it was like only 40 bucks or whatever. So I just keep it just in case. But now that I know about this, I'm never ever spending that again on like cheaper wigs. There's no way. There's no way. No way. This is so good. I look so much better. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give a big thumbs up, comment down below, let me know which one is your favorite, and I'll see you guys in the next. Bye guys.